Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, and let's do this exciting problem. It's this problem is really a beautiful problem that I remember doing from my class 12, I guess, and I was practicing geometric probability. I was learning geometric probability, so it's really beautiful. Let's do this problem right away. So, two data scientists take a morning walk, a break each day, and they arrive at the cafeteria independently at random times between 9 and 10, and they stay for exactly some m minutes, which we don't know as of now. But it's known that um, one like the probability that they meet each other in the between is 40%. Okay, so then you have to find aim. That's the problem. Okay, so they meet, their probability of meeting is given, and they arrive between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So you have to find that how much minute ke liye wo log stays. Okay, in fact, we will find the general formula. So let's find that right away. If you observe it, if you observe that, so let's see that if, let's say, the first data scientist D1, let's say the first data scientist D1, okay, let me just make it bigger. Yeah, D1, that person comes and between, let's say, 9 and 10, so let's call it X. Okay, X is between 9 and 10, 9 and 10 a.m. and stays for till X plus m minutes. Okay, and D2 comes and maybe it comes before and it stays till X Y plus m minutes, like till a Y plus m. So, and X and Y are in minutes, remember, otherwise you cannot add like this, right? So X and Y are in minutes. And see, they will meet only if Y plus m is greater than X here in this case. Okay, I have given too many brackets and rounds. So this tells you that they meet if Y plus m greater than X. But there is also another case possible. The other case that is possible is, what if the other way around happens? Let's say D1 arrives earlier and stays till X plus m. D2 arrives later on. This can also happen when they meet. So D1 comes first, here D2 comes first, then D1, here D1 comes first and then D2. In this case, it's same as telling that y is less than X plus m. So this is the final set of equations that we have. And combining these two, we get what? We get y minus x is greater than minus m and less than m. Combining these two equations, we get this, right? And if we draw it, remember x and y are in minutes. So if we draw it, so we get, so x and y are in minutes. So let's call x over here and y over here. If we draw it now, we get what? So remember the minimum is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So it's 0 minutes to 60 minutes. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So it's 0 to 60. And it's given that y minus x is greater than m minus m and less than m, right? So we have to draw this. We don't know m, we have to find out n. So we have to draw this. So draw this. So y minus x greater than minus m will look something like this, and y minus x less than m will look exactly like a reflection of it here. Okay, so that's exactly what you will get and what you will find. So this is m minutes, this is m, this is m, this is m. So you can easily understand you have to find the area of this region. To find the area of this region, sorry, to find the area of this region out here. Very bad at coloring, I see, it seems. So uh, yeah, so you have to find the area of this region. So we will do complement counting, complement area counting. So its total area is 60 square minus this 2. Okay, also we can do it like probability, so we know that it's the probability over here is 0.4, right? 40%. So what we can do is 1 minus the probability of staying outside is what? This area by 60 square. So this area is what? Here it's 60 minus m, here is 60 minus m, here is 60 minus m, 60 minus m. So adding it will be a square of 60 minus m. So it's 60 minus m whole square by 60 square. Okay, you can also do it by right angle theorem, half into that, so that half will add to get 1. It's equal to 0.4. So we get this. And after solving this, so I leave the solving to you, but let me write it down. So after solving this, you will get that m is equal to 60 minus, I think, let me check my copy. Okay, 60 minus 12 root 15. This is what you will get. Okay, after solving this equation. So how did I get this? I think it will be 6, 0.6. How did I get this? I calculate there. I'm sorry. Yes, it is 0.4. So 1 minus, this is the probability of living in this region, the green one. The 60 minus m whole square by 60 square is living in this region, lying in this region. So we are calculating the probability of lying in this region. So 1 minus that is equal to 0.4. So you can get it's equal to 0.6, and then you can find the value of m by squaring and stuff like that. So that's it. And also remember m is positive, so we get this sort of corresponding equation. There is some quadratic equation involved over there, and I think it's not really hard over there. So yeah, that's the solution that we need to know, and this is a really beautiful problem that you have to explore that in terms of geometry and probability merged together. It's really beautiful. So the challenge is that also you can understand, let's just try to understand 1 minus p is equal to 60 minus m whole square by 60 square. If you want to understand that, p is, if p becomes large, then m also becomes large. So that's the idea. That's very natural, that comes naturally. So that's the idea. And anything else to add? Yes, so one thing you can do is that you can find the general p ke liye what will be the value of m, and yeah, that's it. And for what values they will never meet, for what values of m they will never meet, that is p is equal to, this is equal to 0. So you can also find it out. So let's see for what values it will never meet. That is a much more interesting problem. So p is equal to 0 to 1, so you can sort of make it like, I think 1 hour ka gap ke liye they will never meet. Otherwise they have a random chance of meeting. The probability is 0, so it's 60 minus m whole square. 60 minus m is plus minus 60. So I think, no, I think for m equal to 0, if they stay for 0 minutes, which is not happening. Otherwise, if they stay for 1 to 2, if they stay for 2 hours, that is also 2 hours is not okay. 2 hours is not a possibility. Okay, so if they stay for 2 hours, then they will meet. But okay, anyways, so you can find it out. I think m is 0 is the only solution, and m is equal to 120 hours, 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. If they stay for 120 hours, then of course that they will meet. So this is not a plausible solution because they are coming between that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I think if m is staying 0, if m equals 0, then they will never meet, and that is not going to happen. So there is some probability of them meeting always, and yeah. So that's it. Okay, thank you guys, and I will see you next session. Also, if you want, like, can comment below like why m equal to 120 can be a solution or cannot be a solution. You can comment it below, and we can have a great discussion. So all the best, guys. I will see you in the next video. It was a really exciting problem to have and discuss on board, and perfect. So stay tuned and stay blessed. And if you're interested in some CMI Data Science courses, that's coming soon, so you can check our website, given link given below. And all the best. Stay tuned and stay blessed, and do share with your